Welcome. This series of videos are meant to teach about some cool stuff about science, specifically about physics, like some laws and effects in the real world. Ready? Let's begin. Lesson 2. The difference between kinetic friction and static friction. First of all, you have to understand that all surfaces have a level of roughness because of microvilli. It might seem bad at first look, but they have the responsibility of making the movement of the objects more difficult and make everything stay stable. What means that they make tables don't slide, and even make we walk by pushing our body while we pull the floor with our feet. Now that you are ready, I'll explain the real difference between both types of friction. The first one, kinetic friction. While some object is on movement, the microvilli imposes a force opposite to its movement that will slow down it until it stops. That force will vary mostly because of the material that contains the microvilli, but the main feature of kinetic friction is that it only persists while the object is on movement. And finally, I'll explain the static friction. Like the kinetic friction, it varies above all because of the material that there is in microvilli. But static friction acts when the object is stagnant, and it is the responsible to don't let things slide. And the really good thing about it is that independent of the material, it will apply a bigger force than kinetic friction, and that's why it was more difficult to make objects move than make them keep moving. Thank you for attention, and remember, science has no limits.